Group 6. Our role play today is confusion to clarity. The characters for today is Mark, as a student, Miss Cross, the teacher, and Anna, the classmate. Mark is staring at his book, looking confused and scratching his head.
Problema rin naman kung stress mo ka. Kaya narating ko laban na.
Mark raises his hand during class.
Yes, of course, Mark. Mas kayo nga, no, tana ka sa ako sa anak sa kumusta ng mga wakil sa mga. Sige.
Welcome.
Sige, explain ako sa masayo na pamahali.
Teachers is explaining again using the follow.
Okay, class, do you understand now?